Hey guys, it's Julie here and welcome back to my channel. In this studio vlog, I'll show you what I do on a daily basis and how I run my Jtru designs. And I just thought you guys would be interested in seeing what I get up to. So a lady contacted me to see if I can customize some cupcake toppers for her. And I just thought I'd start the video off by showing you through the process. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe to see more of these videos in the future. I hope you guys enjoy it. See you in a bit. So I have already designed this cupcake topper for a joint birthday, age 4 and 60. And the width is going to be roughly 1.5 inches. I'll need about, if I remember correctly, it's 13 turquoise and 12 pinks. So yeah, just going to prepare them right now. So here I have created 12 of these cupcake toppers in blue, which represents the turquoise, and I have 13 baby pinks, which I'll cut separately to this one. So let's start off with the turquoise first. I have just finished cutting these cupcake toppers. See the pink one right here? There we go. Pink and turquoise. I'm just gonna glue some of these cocktail sticks on the back of these and we'll see in a moment. So the turquoise one is dry now, and we still have the pink one that still needs a little longer before I start packaging them. So yeah, we'll see. I think my customer is going to love this one, and if you guys enjoyed my video so far, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button so more people can find these type of videos. So I'm about to work on these thank you cards, and I have already prepared some of these little baby feet, and I also have a bag of baby grows that I pre-cut. So let me show you how I made them. Thank you so much if you're still watching this video, and I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button down below and subscribe to see more of these type of videos in the future. And please let me know what you thought about this video, what was your favourite part, and what would you like to see in the future. I would love to hear your comments, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon.